Hello, my name is Prajakta Yadav. I am a student of Ritsang Training Center. Today I am going to discuss about a technical topic about pharmacovigilance overview. Pharmacovigilance is also known as drug safety, refers to the scientific discipline focused on the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug related problems. Its primary goal is to ensure that medicines, once released to the market, are used safely and effectively, minimizing the risk and maximizing the benefits for patients. Historical context. The modern field of pharmacovigilance emerged after the thalidomide disaster of the 1950s and 1960s. The thalidomide, initially prescribed to a pregnant woman for morning sickness, caused severe birth defects in thousands of children. This incident highlighted the need for continuous monitoring of drugs and post-marketing and led to the establishment of robust drug safety system globally. As a result, regulatory agencies like the World Health Organization (WHO), the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA), and the European Medicines Agency (EMA) have played pivotal roles in developing frameworks to monitor the safety of pharmaceutical products. The core objective of pharmacovigilance: the detection of adverse drug reactions. The primary function of pharmacovigilance is identification of ADRs, which can range from mild side effects to severe, life threatening reactions. By gathering and analyzing data from various sources such as healthcare providers, patients, and clinical trials, PV helps in the early detection of ADHD. Assessment of risk and benefit. A key aspect of pharmacovigilance is continuous assessment of a drug's risk benefit profile. This involves comparing the occurrence of adverse effects with the therapeutic benefits provided to the patient population. In some cases, when the risk outweighs the benefits, actions such as product label changes, dosage modifications, or market withdrawal may be taken. Prevention of harm. Pharmacovigilance aims to implement measures to reduce or eliminate the risk associated with drug therapy. This includes public health interventions, improved prescribing practices, better labeling, and the development of guidelines to prevent misuse or overuse of certain medications. Improving patient safety. Ultimately, pharmacovigilance is a means to enhance patient safety by monitoring drugs throughout their life cycle, from preclinical development to post-clinical surveillance. Post-market surveillance. By continually assessing and managing the risk associated with pharmaceuticals, the healthcare system can better protect patients. Key components of pharmacovigilance. Data collection. Data on adverse drug reactions is collected from variety of sources, including spontaneous reporting system. These systems are used by healthcare professionals and patients to report suspected ADRs. Examples include the FDA's MedWatch in the US or the Yellow Card scheme in the UK. Clinical trials. Preclinical marketing. Clinical trials helps in identifying common and serious ADRs, although these may not only always capture rare or long-term effects. Electronic health records. Digital records can be used to identify patterns of ADRs across large populations. Literature and post-marketing studies. Published research. Post-marketing surveillance studies and registries also provide important safety data. Signal detection. Pharmacovigilance agencies use advanced statistical methods to analyze the data collected for signals. A signal is defined as information that suggests a potential causal relationship between a drug and adverse event. Signal detection is essential for identifying previously unknown ADRs or rare adverse events that were not only detected during clinical trials. Risk assessment. After signal is detected, it it undergoes a rigorous evaluation process considering factors such as severity, frequency, and impact of the adverse reaction. This includes comparing the risk of ADRs with the known benefits of the drug. The regulatory authorities then decide on the appropriate course of action, such as updating safety labels, in extreme case withdrawing the drug from the market. Regulatory framework. Different countries and regions have their own pharmacovigilance regulatory requirements, but most are aligned under the umbrella of international standards. The International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, that is ICH, and WHO provide global guidelines such as the International Conference on Harmonization E2E guideline and the WHO Global Individual Case Safety Reports, that is ICSR. Major regulatory agencies involved in pharmacovigilance include FDA, EMA, WHO, Food and Drug Administration. The FDA's MedWatch program allows healthcare professionals and consumers to report ADRs, and the agency actively monitors and responds to safety signals. European Medicines Agency EMA oversees pharmacovigilance across the European Union and operating through the Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee. WHO coordinates the Global Individual Case Safety Reports database, which helps track ADR globally. Today we discussed about the pharmacovigilance overview. Thank you for listening.